Skeletal system. Our skeletal system consists of a set of 206 bones. This shape and posture of our body is maintained by the bones. Some very delicate organs like brain, spinal cord, heart and lungs are protected by the bones. All the muscles of our body need a strong support to work. Bones provide this support to the muscles. Look at the various parts of our skeletal system. Skull, upper jaw, lower jaw, collarbone or clavicle, shoulder blade, breastbone, ribs, arm and forearm, pelvis, bones of hand, thigh, kneecap, leg bone, bones of the foot. Let us discuss about some main parts of our skeletal system. Chest cavity. Chest cavity is formed of ribs, vertebrae of the backbone and the breastbone. There are 12 pairs of the ribs on either side of the chest cavity. These ribs are joined to the vertebrae of the backbone behind and to the breastbone in front. Besides giving protection to heart and lungs, ribs and breastbone also help in breathing movements. Backbone. Our backbone or vertebral column is made up of 33 vertebrae. There is a cavity or neural canal in the vertebral column that protects the spinal. It also helps in bending of the body forward and backward. Skull. Our skull is also made up of bones. It consists of the head and the face. The head is upper part of the skull. It is made up of 8 bones which form the brain box that protects the skin. The face forms the lower part of the skull and is made up of 14 bones. All these bones are fixed or immovable except the lower jaw bone which is movable. Teeth are present on the both upper and lower jaws. The face has 2 sockets for the eyes. Girdles. There are 2 girdles in our body, shoulder girdle and hip girdle. The bone of the arms are attached to the shoulder girdle and bones of the legs are attached to the hip girdle. The 2 girdles attached to the limbs to the trunk. Let us now discuss about the joints. All joints can be defined as a place where one bone meets another bone. A joint specially type of connective tissue is present. This is called as ligament. Ligament helps attach one bone with another bone. Let us perform an activity. Keep your hands in such a way that the palms face upwards. Now close and open your first what other moments. Now try to move our hands at the wrist in various directions. Do you find the same type of movements? No. The movements of opening and closing of first are different from the movement at. Do you know how these movements are brought now? The bones of the body joined with another joint allow movements in certain directions. These movements of part of the body depend upon the types of joint present in that region. Let us study about different types of joints in our body. These are the mainly 2 types of our joints in our body, immovable joints and movable joints. Immovable joints is present in between the bones of skull. In this type of joints, the movements in between the 2 bones do not occur as the bones are firmly attached to the one another. In movable joints, the movements in between the bones occur. Movable joints are of the following types: ball and socket joint and hinge joint and pivot joint and gliding joint. Let us discuss about these joints. Ball and socket joint is found in hands and shoulder girdle and legs and hip girdle of our body. The joint is like a ball fitted into the socket that can move freely within the socket. Hinge joint is found in knees, elbows, fingers and toes. This type of joint allows movements in one direction only. Pivot joint is found in between the skull and the first vertebra of the vertebral. With this type of joint we can move our head sideways, upwards and downwards. Gliding joint is found in between the bones of the backbone. It allows only a movement in between the bones.